love on these families, love on the kids, and give love. And so you bring your gifts, you bring yourself, and we want to give that to the people that are here. So we want to start.